Hello you guys. For today's video we are going to do a wear test on PopXo product and it is by MyGlamm. So before we do the swatches and wear test, I'll just quickly read few details that they have mentioned on their website. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought this with my own money. Well, I've pulled up few details here, so I'll just read that. This is PopXo makeup lip gloss kit and this is by MyGlamm. It retails for $3.99. In this you get 3 shades: moisturizing lip gloss, high shine finish with 3D effect, long stay formula, lightweight and non-sticky, enriched with goji berry oil and vitamin E. They've mentioned that it's long-lasting lip gloss, so we'll put that to test for sure. There's no bleeding, no tackiness, no stickiness, just a glass-like gloss lip, okay? And few more other things which I will leave it here so you can check that out. So these are the 3 lip gloss that we have here. It does have some glitter in it, very fine glitter in it. I don't know if you can see this. Because I have this pink lip on, I think we should go with the clear one. And also I'm about to have my lunch, so we can really put this to test. I honestly am a little nervous about the glitter in this because I'm not a huge fan of glitter in lip gloss. Ooh. I like how it feels. I understand why they've said lightweight because I don't feel anything is on my lip. I just applied the lip gloss. It's very lightweight. Honestly, I do not feel my lip is heavy at the moment. There's no flavor or fragrance to it. So that is one thing I can tell you as of now. I do feel like something's held on to my lip and just nourishing my lip. As of now, it is 2:22, way past my lunchtime. So I'm going to go and grab something to eat and I will check in after my lunch and I'll show you if this stays, what's happening. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, I'm back from my lunch and it's 3:29. Talking about this situation, I will say that 60% of the lip gloss, it's gone. It's gone with the food. There is lip gloss. I mean, you will not see that shine, but definitely you can see the lip gloss. The glitter, it's also not there as much. There's no bleeding of any sort and there's no stickiness, no tackiness. So as of now, I've just had one meal and this is the result. A bit of my color did come off while drinking water, so that's also one of the things. But because I applied this lip gloss on the matte lipstick that I was applying, so I think maybe we can try out with a lip liner as well. So I'll take this off and we'll try another color. So lip gloss on the lip liner is done and it is $3.50 at the moment. So let's see how many more touch up I would need. So it depends on how the day goes. I will also have tea, so we will see if this stays. And by the way, I have applied a lot of lip gloss, like a very generous amount. I'm sure you can see that. Right now there is no situation of bleeding or any sort, so I think we're doing great there. Okay, so I will see you in my next check-in. Well, this is the last check-in and I am just going to call it a day. It is going to be 7, I think it's almost 7. Oh, it's 6:45 and I had my tea. I shot a video, so here we are. So after the last check-in, I did reapply the gloss. So it stayed for an hour and a half. Just like the previous application, it kind of went off, but not as much. Maybe around 4:30 is where I did my last application and around 6 I had a hot drink. This is what I'm left with. I don't think there is any gloss. In fact, the lip liner as well has gone from the lower lip. It just feels like I have lip balm on. It doesn't feel like I have lip gloss. It definitely doesn't stay for a long time on the lip, so that's something I've realized, and it kind of comes off very easily. But before I give my final thought, I just want to take this off and apply just the lip gloss to see how this works on my bare lip. I'm applying caramel again on my lip. I just want to see how it looks on my bare lip. So since I've applied it on my bare lip and now I understand it is very lightweight. Well, I wish that it was a little more thicker so it would have stayed for a very long time on my lip. I think the thicker the better it stays for a while. I do feel this is a waste of money because it doesn't stay. 1.5 hours, very less time for a lip gloss to go off and you have to reapply. That's just too much of a task. The price and everything is good. The packaging is good. Everything is nice, but just the product inside is a fail for me. So from my side, it's a no. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and it helped you with deciding if you want to buy this or not. Do let me know if you have any video requests down below. That's it. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, do not forget that you are loved. So stand tall, stay strong and love strong.